let's make a Christmas tree for your Christmas tree. Now, if you've done any pen turning, this is going to look super familiar. We're going to start with a 4-jaw chuck so that we can drill a centered hole in our blank and glue in a pen tube. Of course, you can do this over on your drill press, but I didn't feel like moving all the camera equipment, so we're going to do it here on the lathe. After we've drilled our hole, we need to mix up some 5-minute epoxy, or some barrel bond in this case, and glue our 7mm brass pen tube into our blank. Once you've done that, be sure to use a pen reamer to clean out any glue and square up those ends. Then we're going to put this onto a pen mandrel with some 7mm bushings and turn whatever shape we want. You can get super creative with your blank on this. Woodcraft Magazine had an article a few years back about making trees with colored pencils, that would be really cool. I went with some Spectraply because I thought it would look really neat. I just turned a gentle slope. I wanted to keep this one really simple. And then I finished it with some high build friction polish, which really made that black nice and dark. Hope you're enjoying this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments what you want to see me make next. Now it's back to the epoxy. We don't need quite as much this time. We're just going to glue in the little finial on the top to hang it by and a little base. Thanks for watching. If you want to get your own kit, you can click the link here, or you can check out this other video that I think you might like. See you next time.